Hello again, Davenport students. So today is April 3rd, Friday, and our gym activities for today. We'll go over some rules first. We want to make sure that we have some space to do the activity because you'll be moving around a little bit. You want to make sure you have your sneakers on and tied up, and you want to make sure you have a parent or guardian with you to help you out with the activity. For our activities for today, we will do our stretches, and they are jumping jacks, toe touches, arm circles, trunk twists, balance on your right foot, and balance on your left foot. They're all going to be for 10 seconds each. Today we have some Go Noodle activities. Some are new, some we've done before in class. And then lastly, we have our comments and our pictures. I'm getting some great comments from the students and some pictures. What's coming up next? Next week we'll be doing some new stretches and some new activities. Here we are at the Go Noodle page, and instead of typing in the search, the hot dog time machine is right here. So I'm going to let this play a little bit. It's kind of like the Fabio's Meatball Run and Run the Red Carpet where you're jogging, running, and ducking. So after you finish that, we'll exit out of there. And then we are going to go to our next activity, which is the Max Arena.
Greetings, my friends. It is I, Maxim. And do you know what time it is? Yes, yes, you do. It's time for the Max Arena. Hit it.
So that's what the Max Arena is. For our third Go Noodle activity, it is the Purple Stew. Let's type in purple. And this is what Purple Stew is.
We're making a purple stew. We're making a purple stew. Shooby-dooby-doo with purple potatoes and purple tomatoes, and we want you, Fabio. What are you gonna add to our purple?
So that is the Purple Stew, and that's our activities for today. So like I said, post your comments and pictures. Tell me what you like, what you're enjoying, and I will see you boys and girls next week. Have fun and enjoy.